What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you a very unique way to do affiliate marketing. This is a crazy way. It's an amazingly effective way that you're going to be learning today, okay? And this is a way that nobody else has shown before, nobody else is talking about, but I'm glad to show you because I want you guys to know, to have this knowledge so that you can go out and make more money with affiliate marketing, all right? And so the first thing that we need to do is we need to pick a niche, right? With affiliate marketing, you always gotta pick a niche. And so that is why I went into Google and I typed best affiliate marketing niches in 2021, right? And you can have ideas here. Here's an article. We're gonna open it up and see what they say. We're gonna scroll down. And what are they talking about? These are evergreen verticals, right? These are the niches that you can do. And so the niches that I want you to focus on is gonna be dating is a good niche. Health and beauty is a good niche. E-commerce is a good niche. But really, what I want you to think about is I want you to think about in these three areas, right? Self-improvement, that's number one. This includes dating. This includes becoming more confident. Includes working on yourself, becoming more extroverted or becoming less shy, whatever the problems people have, right? Maybe, getting a better job, negotiating, things like that. The second niche is making money online. This is a huge niche. I don't really need to talk about it all that much, but this is a very big niche. And this includes things like affiliate marketing, just like my channel, just like the things that I talk about on this channel. Making money online, starting a business, anything where you're making money. It doesn't have to be an online business. It can be an offline business. Maybe you're going to start, a physical store. Maybe you're going to be, doing some kind of consulting, contracting, right? That is making money online. And last but not least, this is a niche about staying healthy, right? Because what do we need? We need to stay healthy. In fact, for me, health is the number one priority in my life, right? It's above making money online. It's above, self-improvement. Being healthy, what does that mean? It means losing weight. It means, working out. It means maybe gaining muscle. It means maybe running. It means eating healthy, right? It's a very big niche. And I want you to think about in these three main niches. The next thing you want to do is you want to pick one of those areas that you want to be focusing on. Now, in terms of this video, I'm going to be focusing on making money online, but it doesn't have to be this way. You can pick health, you can pick losing weight, you can pick anything. Doesn't really matter. But as long as you kind of stick to those three areas, you're going to be a lot better off. So we're going to be talking about making money online, all right? The next thing you want to do is you want to go on Google and you want to Google for something called PLR content. I'm going to explain to you in a second what that is, right? PLR stands for private label rights. Basically, in a nutshell, what it means is that you're essentially purchasing content that somebody else did and you can package it as though it's your own content. You're getting a license to do whatever you want with this content. It's a very nice license, right? Because when you buy software, you don't have license to sell that software, to package it. You just have license to use it, personal or business use. But here in this case, you're getting a license. You can do anything that you want. So when I Google for PLR content, we have this website here, plr.me. We have buy quality PLR. I'm going to open that up because I had some experience with it. I'm not an affiliate for it, but I did have some experience and I found their content to be pretty good, right? And so take a look at this. This is just one site. Remember, guys, there's lots of sites. I know a lot of people are going to be thinking like, do I need to use just this site? No, you can use any site out there, right? As long as, you Google for something like this and you're going to have a lot of this content. Now, you guys got to understand that when you sign up, you're going to get some free content as a gift, but typically it's going to cost a little bit of money, right? So here you have free PLR. But you also have this, if you want bigger, more content, you have to pay a little bit, right? It's not going to cost an arm and a leg. It's going to be just a little bit of money, right? So for instance, we have PLR articles, we have brandable courses, right? This is actually really good. We have a lot of this stuff. Now, why do we need PLR, right? And actually, you don't even need PLR. Well, the reason we need PLR is that we're going to be building a course, right? We're going to be building a course and we're going to be selling it on places like Udemy. And there's lots of other sites you're going to be able to sell it on. And I'm going to show you how we're going to be doing affiliate marketing. So this method will allow you to make money from the course as well as with affiliate marketing that I'm going to show you in just a second. So remember, guys, you can write this content yourself. You can build this course yourself if you want. or you can just get it from one of these sites. So I take a look at this one, brandable courses, right? You can go in here and they have a store and you can check it out. And I'm not an affiliate. You can use any site that you want. It's just, in my opinion, this is a really great site because I had some decent experience with it, right? But you can use any site that you want. And so what you're going to do is you're going to get the content. You're going to get a brandable course. Remember, there's a brandable course. You have niche PLR. Look at this one. Email marketing, finance, and the area, right? Once you decided on an area, maybe you want to do an email marketing course. Maybe you want to do some other course. It doesn't really matter. Once you decide on an area, the next thing is you want to get the content for it, right? So you have free, you have PLR directories, providers, you have PLR products, right? Look at this one. PLR brandable coaching courses. We can go to brandable coaching courses and take a look at this one. You have all of these courses, and this is just one site, right? And so what you can do is you can essentially buy this PLR content and you can sell it, you can resell it. Or if you want, you can actually write your own course. I used to do courses a lot for other niches and stuff, and I built my own courses. Okay, I built my own courses, I built my own content. So that is another avenue. But I understand some people do not want to do that. They do not want to invest time and energy. They want to, they want to have something ready. They want a shortcut. This is your shortcut that you can use. And it's a great shortcut because honestly, a lot of these products that I tried, my experience with PLR has been nothing short of positive. I actually got really good content. I was actually surprised because the content that I got is actually quality content, right? It was really, really good content. So especially from this side. But you're free to use any site that you want. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the content from the site. And after you take the content from the site, and before you actually go out and sell it, you have to do this really, really important secret step. You're going to go to Google Docs and you're going to create a PDF file. Okay, this is going to go in addition to the course that you're going to get on one of these PLR sites, or you're going to be building it yourself. And what you're going to do is you're going to have an article that looks something like this. Thank you for your purchase. And what you're going to do is you're going to bundle this PDF here along with the training, right? So let's say the training is about building an email list, right? So what you're going to do is thank you for your purchase. Below is a list of resources that I believe you are going to find super valuable. Okay, you're going to do that. Maybe you want to center it. Maybe you want to fix it up a little bit. And then what you're going to do is you're going to have affiliate articles, right? Let's say the course is about starting a business, right? You're going to have things like Bluehost. You're going to have domain register, right? Domain registrar, right? This is going to be, places like GoDaddy, or it's going to be places like Namecheap. And you can go to these places. So for instance, let's say you want to promote Namecheap. You're going to Google for Namecheap affiliate program. You're going to do that, and you're going to stumble upon this first result in Google, and you're going to open it up, and you're going to click on apply now, and you're going to sign up, and you're going to work directly with the merchant. There's not going to be any middleman. It's not like ClickBank. It's not like Max Bounty. You don't need crazy approval process. It's actually super easy, right? Same thing for GoDaddy. You're going to go to GoDaddy affiliate program. Look at this one. Super easy. If you join our affiliate marketing, this is actually, affiliate marketing team. Yep. This is exactly it. So you can do something like that. Do you need a domain? Domain register. And then you're going to have your affiliate link for GoDaddy. Sign up for GoDaddy here. Sign up for Namecheap here, right? And this is going to be an affiliate link. You're going to select it and press Command K. And then you're going to, enter your affiliate link here, right? And then the next thing they need maybe small business services, right? Legal advice, bookkeeping services and software, lead qualification, all of these things. The next thing they need is hosting, right? Hosting they need. Maybe they need contracting services, right? All of these things, right? When you pick a niche, right? That's why I picked making money online, because this is a very wide niche and there's a lot of affiliate marketing program. So what you're going to do is you're going to get the content from PLR, right? You're going to get your content from here. You're going to bundle it up with this file, and you can call it something like read me first, right? So that they read it, before taking the course, so that they know that if they want to sign up, you have some suggestions, or they can, take the course and read this later. It doesn't really matter. And all of these are going to be affiliate links, right? And so let's think about it. You have domain register. You have hosting, right? Hosting could be Bluehost, right? It could be also WordPress other WordPress hosting, right? You have Bluehost, and you can do Bluehost affiliate program. Okay? So you have web hosting affiliate program, Bluehost. Then you have WordPress hosting. WordPress hosting, right? You're going to get Bluehost, you get WP Engine. So you can put something like WP Engine, right? This is kind of a premium hosting service, right? WP Engine. Something like this. And you can go in here and you can just Google for WP Engine affiliate program. Okay? And guess what we have here? WP Engine WordPress hosting affiliate program, right? All of these places have affiliate programs and they all pay a lot of money, right? Bluehost pays anywhere from $65 to $100+ per sign up, right? WP Engine pays even that, if not even more, right? Because, people are going to be spending money, right? You have all of these. And what's beautiful about this is that you can give them this PDF to every person that buys the course. So you can go to Udemy and you can Google for something like make money online or make money online. Let's say you do something like this. You're going to have a lot of courses. Take a look at this one, right? Crip learned 4 methods to make money with affiliate marketing, right? And look at this one. He has 333 reviews. Now imagine if 1 out of every 2 people at least sign up for something, right? He's going to make money with this. And 165 people have a commission for him, right? Let's say 10 people, 1 out of 10 people, that's 33 people, at least signed up for one of these affiliate programs, right? And if you're getting paid, let's say you're getting paid $100 for, let's say $100 for Bluehost, you can just do the math, right? That's 33 times 100, that's $3,300 just from one offer with a 10% conversion rate, which is not that unbelievable because we're targeting the right traffic, that they sign up at least for one program, right? Imagine they signed up for at least 2 of them, or you have a higher conversion rate, or your numbers are a little bit different. So take a look at this one. This person actually has a couple of courses. Actually, they have more. Look how many courses they have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Man, this guy has a lot of courses, so he's making a ton of money, especially if he's doing affiliate marketing inside, if he's savvy enough to do affiliate marketing. And you can undercut them. You can sell your course for lower, right? You can sell them for $7, $8. Doesn't really matter. The point is that, you're going to go out, you're going to be making money from affiliate marketing. So you don't need to sell this course for, $50, $25, even $12. You can sell it for a lot less. And as you can see, this person is making decent money here. And you don't even need to do one course, right? I talked about different niches that you can do. You can go out and you can do like this guy. You can create multiple courses in one niche and just, bundle this PDF here, because you can simply go here, file, download as PDF. You can just bundle it as a PDF here. Or you can create multiple courses in different niches, but then you have to go out and find affiliate programs for that specific niche, which is not going to be very hard. I'll give you some ideas. Let's say you want to do dating, right? Dating for women, right? The secret to love, knowing who's the right one, dating, how to create authentic and open marriage. Okay, you have a lot of these dating courses, right? And the way you want to think about Udemy, it's kind of like Google for courses, right? It's not like, they have all kinds of courses there, right? It's not like these are really scientific courses or something special. It's any kind of courses there. And so if you're not using it, you're leaving a lot of money on the table, right? So I'm probably going to find a person that has created many courses in this niche as well somewhere, just like with the previous niche that we had before. And so you can focus on this niche as well. You can do weight loss, right? Weight loss fitness. You can do something like this, and you're going to find amazing courses in this niche too. Look at this, complete fitness trainer, fitness for beginners, etc., etc. And then you can go on ClickBank and you can promote different courses. But I would just recommend for Googling specific affiliate programs and work with them directly. And that way there's no middleman, there's nobody getting a cut of the exchange, and there's no approval process or any of these things that you have to deal with when you're working with an affiliate marketing network. And when you're actually building a course, a quick way to know what kind of course to build, how it all works, you can simply open the course up. You can just click on it and you can learn more about it, right? So take a look at this one. Students also bought, and you can see similar courses. And then if you scroll lower, You're going to see course content. You're going to get some ideas of what kind of course to create. It doesn't have to be exactly like you see it here. It could be something similar. It could be something different. It doesn't need to be exactly a carbon copy of what you're seeing here. But the point is, you can go in here and you can take a look at the requirements. You can take a look at the description. There's a sales letter. And you can use that in terms of your own ideas for building your own course. And so now that you know what kind of course to create from the niches, now you know where to get the content. You can build it out yourself. Now that you know what kind of affiliate marketing programs to promote, the only thing that's left is to take action. And so my recommendation, just pick a niche. You can go with make money online because that's always going to be making money. People want to, people need money, right? People need money to survive. We live in a capitalistic world, right? You're going to go out, you're going to create this course, and you're going to put in the content that you either outsource from somebody, or you actually created, or you got it from this PLR site. And that's it. And then Udemy is going to do all the marketing for you. They're going to be like a search engine. You can actually even promote this course anywhere you want. You can promote it on Facebook. You can promote it on Google because it's Udemy, right? Nobody's going to block you for promoting a very, very well-known site. It's not like you're promoting a ClickBank offer. You can go on forums. You can go on Facebook groups. You can go on Twitter. And this is another really, really good angle here because at the end of the day, it's Udemy. It's a well-known site, right? Everybody knows the site. Everybody trusts this site. Everybody uses the site. You see this site. You see courses from this site being promoted all over the internet. And so you're never going to have problems, running ads to it or promoting it or going to forums or Twitter, etc., because at the end of the day, it's Udemy. It's not like, some ClickBank, some shady ClickBank offer or some shady Warrior Plus offer or, one of these other affiliate networks. It's Udemy, right? It's a site people know and people trust. And so you have a lot of advantages with this method, namely that you can actually go and you can promote it. And plus, Udemy is going to be promoting it as well on the site. As you can see, if you search for something, if I go in here and I search, I have results, right? And I click on the course. It's kind of like YouTube, right? If I scroll down, you see students also bought. And so who knows, maybe one of your courses is going to show up here because Udemy is going to decide that they are tied together. They're based on similar topics. All right, guys, so this is the method I wanted to share with you guys today. You can make money from this course, and you can also make money with affiliate marketing. All right, so I really hope you enjoyed this method. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.